Using separate work accounts for daily tasks and admin access enhances security, but managing MFA for both accounts can be cumbersome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure and use CyberArk's MFA redirect feature so both accounts can share the same CyberArk mobile authenticator app for authentication without the need to use a less secure MFA factor or enroll a second device. First, I've enrolled the CyberArk mobile app with one of my users. Please note that number matching only works with the primary user, so enroll with the user that you want to use number matching with. In this example, I've used my administrator user for greater security. There are two ways to configure the MFA redirect. So first, I've gone to my admin portal and I'm going to search for my standard user. And then I'm going to scroll down to the notification and select redirect. And before I show you that, I just want to show you that when I try to log in with my standard user, the only options are email and text message, which we don't want to use because they don't meet NIST requirements. So we're going to select my admin user, which has the CyberArk mobile app enrolled. Right? So as we see here, the CyberArk mobile app is enrolled to our admin user. So we're going to select our admin user, and when we click save, and then when we go back to the login screen for our standard user, we now see the mobile authenticator option. Right, so let's go ahead and log in. So when we choose the mobile authenticator option, it's going to go to the my admin user's mobile app. Okay, so as you see here in the pop-up notification that it's trying to authenticate my standard user. And this is what I meant by number matching not working with the secondary users. So as you see, I don't get to see the number option for my secondary user. And we did this on purpose for a particular customer because they wanted to redirect to a different human being instead of the same person. So in that situation, that secondary person, the primary owner of the mobile app may not be able to see the login screen. So for now, let's go ahead and click approve, and we'll see that the user is able to log in. Okay, so as I mentioned, the first method of configuring the MFA redirect is through the admin portal. Now, this second way is through the user portal. So if we want users to be able to enable themselves to configure the MFA to redirect, right, they can just go to the account section and personal profile. And what we're expecting to see is when we scroll down and we want to see the same notification redirect, right, as we saw in the admin portal. But as you can see, we don't see that here, and that's because it's disabled by a policy. So, so what we want to do is go back to the admin portal, go to policies, and then we're going to go to user security policies, user account settings, and then scroll down to the MFA redirect option. So by default, it's dash equals no. So we're going to change that to yes. Okay, and then when we click save, and then we go back to the user portal, hit refresh, and in personal profile we scroll down. Now we see the notification redirect option. So the user can go ahead and select a checkbox and select whoever they want to do the redirect with. Okay. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.